Halo friend, I'm Siti Nurjana, NPM 2021 000044. I'm from 2SDR class. I want to introduce the biggest and best entrepreneur in the world. Yeah, this is Elon Musk. Elon Musk, or Elon Reeve Musk, is an American entrepreneur, inventor, and business magnate. He is the founder, CTO, and CEO of SpaceX, CEO and production architect of Tesla, founder of the Boring Company, and also founder of Neuralink and OpenAI. Elon Musk was born on June 28, 1971 in Pretoria, South Africa. Musk attended commerce at Queen's School of Business for 2 years. Musk earned a bachelor's degree in economics from the Wharton School of the University of Pennsylvania and a bachelor's degree in physics. Musk continues physics to Stanford University in 1995, but only took classes for 2 days to continue his career by founding Zip2. Musk also played a role in the founding of PayPal. Musk has the 3 nationalities, namely South Africa, Canada, and the United States. Musk is the founder of several popular technology companies, including space technology giant SpaceX, Tesla, Engadget in the automotive sector, OpenAI, SolarCity, Neuralink, and several other companies. Musk stated that with these companies he founded with the aim of changing the world and human life, including reducing global warming through increased production and consumption of renewable energy. Elon Musk's career. The first Zip2 in 1995. Musk, his the brother Kimball, and Greg Cory founded Zip2, a web software company with funding from financiers. They founded the company in a small rented office in Palo Alto. The company develops and markets an internet city guide from the newspaper publishing industry with maps, direction, and yellow pages. The second, X.com and PayPal. Musk asset the process of his $10 million Zip2 sell to set up an online financial service called X.com in March 1999. Musk hired business executive John Story and Bill Harris as investor, and Harris became the company's president and CEO. Musk became chairman of the company and received $25 million in capital from venture capital firm Sequoia Capital. The company began launching its server in December 1999, providing internet gas and account. A few months later, X.com acquired Confinity, the company that operated a money transfer service called PayPal. Confinity saw founder Max Levchin and one of the company's investors kicked Musk from his post as CEO of X.com. The PayPal PayPal system is only a few moments old, and Musk feels PayPal as a promised feature. Musk and Harris this time disagree, and Harris left in company in May 2000. In October 2000, Musk decided that X.com would discount its internet bank operation and focus on the PayPal money service. X.com renamed to PayPal. The Threat. Space. Musk founded his Threat company, Space Exploration Technology or SpaceX, in June 2002 and served as CEO and CTO. SpaceX develops and manufactures space probes while advancing rocket technology. The fourth, Tesla Motor. Musk is the co-founder of Tesla Motor and currently serves as head of production design. Even so, Musk's interest in electric cars dates back long before Tesla founding. Musk led the series investment in Tesla Motor, which was incorporated and founded 9 months earlier by Martin Eberhard and Max Terpening. The series run involved investment from small investor groups, including CDL Ventures and Compass Technology Partners. A fifth, SolarCity. Musk was the originator of the original concept of SolarCity. The company was chairmanship of the board and most of the shares and held by Musk. SolarCity is the largest supplier of solar systems in the United States. A sixth, Hyperloop. On August 12, 2013, Musk unveiled plans for a new mode of transportation that would link the greater Los Angeles area and the San Francisco Bay Area after being disillusioned by the government-approved California high-speed rail system. He doubled his plan a Hyperloop, a subsonic air travel engine that spans about 1,350 miles from Silmar, north of the Los Angeles, to Hayward, east of San Francisco, and theoretically allows commuters to travel between cities in 13 minutes or less. So the travel time is short and today's commercial airplane. The last, OpenAI. In December 2015, Musk announced the founding of OpenAI, a non-profit artificial intelligence or AI research firm. OpenAI aims to develop artificial general intelligence in a safe and useful way for mankind. Yeah, and then last slide, Elon Musk's interest. Musk described himself as an active worker who regularly spends 100 hours per week running Tesla Motor and Space and frequently travel on company jets. The Space Factory was used as a shooting location for Iron Man 2 and Musk made a cameo appearance in this film. Okay guys, after I finished introducing Elon Musk, there's a motivational video from Elon Musk. Let's see together.
A cross-pollination of Thomas Edison and Tony Stark, Elon Musk.
Were you a little naive when you thought I can easily build an electric car and a rocket? I didn't think it would be easy. Like I said, I thought they would probably fail. But you know, like creating a company is almost like having a child. So it's sort of like, how do you say your child should not have food?
So once you have the company, you have to feed it and nurse it and take care of it, even if it ruins you.
Yeah.
But I suppose there were some tough times in 2008, end of 2008. How did you get through that period of crisis?
Yeah. Can we just break for a second?
Sure, of course. You want to wait a little while?
Yeah, sure, but it was worth it.
Sure, it was worth it.
It's everything. And I actually was borrowing money from friends to pay the rent. Well, I mean, Tesla really faced a severe threat of death due to the Model 3 production ramp. Essentially, the company was bleeding money like crazy, and just if we didn't solve these problems in a very short period of time, we would die. And it was extremely difficult to solve them.
How close to death did you come?
Within single-digit weeks.
22 hours a day, or like how many
I
hours?
was working, so 7 days a week, sleeping in the factory. I worked in the paint shop, general assembly, body shop.
You ever worry about yourself imploding? Like it's just too much?
Absolutely. No one should put this many hours into work. This is not good. People should not work this hard. They should not do this. This is it's very painful.
Painful in what sense?
It hurts my brain and my heart.
Where do you come up with your best ideas? Are you on vacation, or are you kind of just like in the middle of the night you wake up and start drawing things down? Or
You know, sounds really cliche, but like the shower is probably like wake up and go shower in the morning. And I think actually what's really happened is kind of stuff is percolated in the subconscious.
Right.
And it's not really occurring in the shower, but you're kind of getting the results of last night's, computation basically.
Right.
Whatever area that you get into, given that even if you're the best of the best, there's always a chance of failure. So I think it's important that you really like whatever you're doing. If you don't like it, life is too short. I'd say, and also if you like what you're doing, you think about it even when you're not working. I mean, it's something that your mind is drawn to, and if you don't like it, you just really can't make it work, I think.